All right, folks. The first thing we're going to do is get our door measurements. I don't know if this audio quality is coming through good enough, but this is the first shot. And I didn't grab everything I needed because first thing we need to do is get our measurement first. But let's get started. Okay, that measurement calls for 36 by 80, and that's what we got for our door. So, um, before I open that, before I take the door off of this door, before I take this door off, let's get our package opened all up. Get all our tools and everything we need. All right, folks, there's our door. And you see what tools we need right there, the tools recommended. We just need the power drill, some pliers, our tape measure, two screwdrivers, flathead, and a Phillips. Easy peasy, right? So we got all those tools. Let's go ahead and get this baby opened up. All right, first thing first. This door can be installed as a left or right swing. Here's our jamb, our first piece right here, where we actually will be swinging in two. Let's go ahead and set her aside. And our threshold, our swing is down there at the bottom. Oh, looks like we got to buy a door handle for this. Let me see, folks. I think we got to buy a door handle. Sure, this is all the hardware. It's all the hardware here. Yeah, I think we got to buy a door handle. So, maybe putting this on hold until we get us a door handle. Here's all our instructions and everything. Weather stripping for the on top of the threshold at the bottom of the door. Yeah, folks. Think we're going to need a door handle. It does not come with the handle. Some adjusters. Just in case your height ain't quite 80 inches, because it got to give and take. You got to give and take on it between 80 and 81 inches. So that right there will meet your requirements if your door comes in between 80 inches or 81 inches. I guess for the most part, I can at least get the top of the jamb hung today, or the door. And this is our closure right here. Yep, no handle in there. Y'all got to keep in mind, this is my first time hanging this door, and I'm letting y'all see me do it because it's really that easy to do. It just might, you may need two people sometime because the door can be a little heavy. Let's go ahead and finish getting her unpacked. At least the frame of the door. That's the bottom of the door. That's where that little piece of That little sweeping rubber thing I showed you guys earlier. This little piece right here, that's what that's gonna go into. And that's what slides in there at the bottom of your door. Part of the weather stripping for the bottom of the door, that is. That's your top piece. You'll probably put that on first. And I'm looking for my swing. Okay, my swing is down in there still. I might just wait on my swing. Let me get that on now. I'll let y'all see down there and see what I mean. Yeah, I got to get my own handle for this door. But let's go on and get her out the box so I can get to that. Well, I don't have to get, I lifted her up off of the gym already. So let's just get it from, slide it from up under there. I mean, not the jam, but my hinges, you know. And there's our hinges. All right. Let's get her up the steps. All right, now, folks, we got that front door off up there. Let's go ahead and start attaching our frame. But let's see what all hardware we got in here first. Screws. Oh, wait a minute, folks, I lied. We got a door handle. I don't know if y'all can see that or not in there. Yeah, we got a door handle, so we good. Let's go ahead and get that. Let's get that frame on first. Then we'll do the handle. We do this handle last. So let's put this all aside real quick. All right, folks. The first step here is going to be getting our hinge hung up. And my door is a right swinging door. And how you know which side is a right swinging or if it's a left swing? While the door is closed, you want to go to the side of the door where you can grab the hinge, and whatever hand touches the doorknob of that swinging door is your hand swing. So mine's door closed, hand on the hinge. It's a right swing door for me. My front door, inside door is a left swing, but my screen door is a right swing. So, need to get a pencil or something so I can mark out my holes. Make sure you got your slide all the way up or your hinge rail all the way up. And you're going to mark like the center of this side, and I'll show you what I mean. So what I mean by the center, this is where the head of the screw is going to come out at. Then it's going to slide over and drop down. So it's kind of like you put it on, slide it over, and then the door is going to drop down like that. That's why it's very important when you put your hinge on, put it all the way up, mark your center of each one. And that's the center of where the actual screw or door is going to hang from. Do that for all four. I mean, let me see. I mean, I got actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, folks, it's my first time doing it too. And I'm just going off the instructions, but you should go by your instructions as well. But I'm doing this to make it a little bit easier for you. So if you watch this video, then you do your instructions, it'll be a breeze for you.
Now you're going to pre-drill your screws, but don't drill them in all the way. You're going to leave them sticking out about halfway so you can hang the door. Once the door is hung, then we'll screw them all the way. Leave them sticking out about this much like I did right here. Or whatever you want, just leave them sticking out.
All right, depending on the door you got, I got an all glass door. So with mine, you're going to need to determine what side is going to be on the outside, what side is going to be on the inside, and which side is the top of the door. Here, I got a screen on one side. So This is gonna be my inside door and it's the top. So I want to install my hinge. Remember, the hinge is gonna be on the outside because it swings. I got a right swing door. I need to attach my hinge like so. So let me show y'all something, folks. Factory has been good to us because they pre-drilled a hole for us. And what we want to do is go ahead and put that first hole or that first screw in the hinge on our door. And then for the other holes, we're gonna have to pre-drill our other holes. And I don't know about yours, but this door right here is a 1/8 hole. So let's go ahead and get our holes pre-drilled, hinge put on so we can know where the holes are and pre-drill our holes. And stuff like this when it's two people play a good part in this.
Do you want me to hold down side?
No, you're good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get our holes pre-drilled. Now we get ready to hang our door up, folks. So we can finish the frame of it, but we're gonna get the door hung first because that's what it says. But before we hang the door, we need to put our extender on our door and make sure you follow the directions for your door. But I'm going to get that put on, and I don't know how far I'm gonna need it, so I'm not gonna put it up all the way just yet, but there's my extender. All right, now folks, this door is officially hung. You know what I'm saying? Got the frame put around it, hung up and everything. Only thing left for me to do is to attach the handle and the sweep and the shutter. It's done. The hardest part was hanging that hinge. It's a done deal now, folks. It's a done deal. It's a wrap. Show me putting on the handle because I'm sure you got this.